Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a meeting in Microsoft Teams desktop application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop client and connect with your Microsoft Teams or Outlook account, and then just follow these simple steps. So after you succeed in connecting to your application, you will need just to go to the Teams page or the Teams view. Here you are just going to search for it in the navigation bar or tab and click on Teams, and then you will going to choose the channel where you want to start a meeting in your teams. So for example, here I have three teams, and let's suppose that I want to start a meeting in this team, and I'm going to choose this channel, and then I will find, or I will see here, the meeting button. But first you will need to be an organizer so you can start meetings in your teams. And then I'm just going to click on it, and this way I will find some device settings like the audio of my computer or my meeting and my camera settings. You can add some filters, change the devices, etc. Then you will need just to click on join now. In this way you will start automatically a meeting, and as you can see now, our meeting has been created successfully. And all you need to do now is to start inviting people by going to the people panel or the people list here in this toolbar, and then you will share invite. For example, copy the meeting link and then share it to the people that you want to join you. Otherwise, you can just type the name of a person that you want them to join you, and then just click on request to join, and an invitation will be sent to those people. So basically, I'm going to end the meeting now. All you need to do if you want to end your meeting is clicking on this, end the meeting, and the meeting will be finished. So basically, this is how you can make a meeting in Microsoft Teams desktop application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.